Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a question that's puzzled economists and philosophers alike. Can money buy happiness? Let's break it down. First, studies show that money can buy happiness. To a point. According to research, happiness increases with income, but only up to around $75,000 a year. Beyond that, the impact of additional income on happiness levels off. Why? Because once our basic needs are met, food, shelter, security, extra wealth doesn't bring proportional gains in happiness. Think about it. The thrill of buying a new car or a luxury vacation fades quickly. We adapt to new circumstances, and our expectations rise. Economists call this the hedonic treadmill. But here's the kicker. How we spend our money matters more than how much we have. Investing in experiences, like travel or learning new skills, tends to bring more lasting happiness than buying material goods. And giving money away, to charity or even small acts of kindness, can boost our happiness too. Now, can you be both rich and miserable? Absolutely. Wealth can bring stress, isolation, and even a loss of meaning if it's not aligned with personal values or community. So, it's not just about having money, but having a fulfilling purpose and strong relationships. In the end, it's a balance. Money can buy comfort and opportunity, but true happiness comes from how we use it to enrich our lives and the lives of others. So, next time you think about wealth, remember, it's not just the money in your pocket, but the joy in your heart that counts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of economics. Catch you in the next one.